Hello friend, today we will discuss the put W and get W functions. Now get W and put W functions. The get W function. The get W function is used to read a number from a file. The syntax for get W function is like this one. Int get W and in open and close parenthesis file, that is a data structure for a file, asterisk fp. This is the declaration of the file pointer fp, and at the end semicolon. For example, these three statements. First statement declares the file pointer fp using the data type file. Then next statement int num semicolon declares integer variable num, and last statement num equal to get wfp. Integer data from a file pointed by the file pointer is taken in and it is assigned to the left side variable num. Then put w function. The put w is used for writing a number into a file. Instead of reading a number, if we want to write a number into a file, then we have to use the put w function. The syntax for put w function is like this one. Put w int num comma file asterisk fp. So this put w function has two arguments, integer variable num and file pointer fp. For example, using first statement we declare the file pointer fp. Next statement declare the integer variable num, and then put w function. Using this statement put w num comma fp. Number contained by the num variable is written into a file pointed by the file pointer fp. Now let us discuss an example program. In this example program, C program for storing the numbers from 1 to 10 and print the same. So an example program may be written like this one. So in this example program, first statement includes the standard input output.h header file in our program. Then first statement of the main function declares the file pointer fp, and second statement int I declare the integer variable I. The next statement open the file and assign its information to the file pointer fp. Name of the file is num.txt, that is text file, and it is opened in the writing mode. Then for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. So using this for loop, 10 integer datas, that is from I equal to 1 to 10. Till this condition is true, put wi fp semicolon. Value of I is written into the file pointed by the file pointer. So according to this condition, numbers from 1 to 10 is written into the file pointer pointed by the file pointer fp. Then when condition becomes false, file is closed. Then again this file is opened using next statement fp equal to fopen. fp equal to fopen num.text comma r. So this time it is open in the reading mode. Then printf file content is. This message is printed on the output screen. Then using the file I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10 I plus plus. Using this for looping statement, value of each number is taken by the getWFP and assigned to the left side variable, and using the printf statement that is printed on the output screen. And once condition becomes false, control comes out of the for looping statement, and that statement f close fp closes the file pointed by the file pointer fb, and then last statement return 0, end of the program. So when this program is run, we get the output like this one. File content is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now let us discuss the another example. In this program to read numbers of a file and print them. Program may be written like this one. In this program, first statement declares the file pointer fp and second statement declares the integer variable n. Then fp equal to fopen file.text comma r. File is opened in the read mode, and information about this file is assigned to the file pointer fp. Now next statement, if fp equals null, that is if file is not open, then null is assigned to the file pointer. It means that can't open the file. This message is printed on the output screen, and control comes out of the main function using the exit 0. If this condition is false, then body of the if statement is not executed, then control goes to the next statement, printf data in file. This is printed on the output screen, and using the while looping statement, num equal to getWFP. Using a getWFP, integer data is taken in, assigned to the left side variable, and not equal to end of the file. If this number is not equal to end of the file, then printf %d comma num. What is the read value or taken value from the getW function, that is printed. So this continues till condition is true, that is number is not end of the file, and once condition becomes false, last number is read, then using the f close fp semicolon, using this statement, file is closed. And then when this program is run, we get the output like this one. Data in file 78, 45 and 63. Now let us take the third example. In this example, program to write numbers into a file. We are going to discuss a program that writes a number into a file. So program may be written like this one. So first statement includes the standard input output.h header file in our program. Then first statement of the main function declares the file pointer fp, and next statement declares the integer variable num. Then character ch equal to n. This statement declares a character type variable ch and assigned a character n. Then f equal to f open file.text comma w, and at the end semicolon. This opens a file.text in the writing mode, and information about this is assigned to the file pointer fp. Now next if statement checks if fp is having a value of num, then it means that if this condition is true, printf statement print can't open the file, and then control comes out of the if statement. Not only this one, it comes out of the main function, that is end of the program. If this condition is not true, then control goes to the next statement, and here it is the do while loop. So first time body of the do while loop is executed, and here first statement enter any number colon. This message is printed on the output screen. Then that number is taken in and is stored with the variable num with the scanf function. Then put w num comma fp. This statement print the number, then the data into the file pointed by the file pointer fp. Printf enter number. This is printed on the output screen, and what number is entered, that is taken enter number question marks. So here if depending on the user response whether it is n or yes, that character is taken in and from the keyboard and is stored with the character variable ch. Then condition is tested while ch equal to vs y or ch is equal to capital Y. Then if condition is true, then another number is entered. If this condition becomes false, then control comes out of the do while loop and then data is written. After printing this one, if close fp statement close the file, and when this program is run, we get the output like this one. Enter any number. 78 is entered, that is taken in and is stored with the number variable, and then that is stored in the file, and then that enter number yes. If condition is true, if we user enter the lowercase y or uppercase y, yes, enter any number, then next number 45 is taken in. When user doesn't enter lowercase or uppercase y, then condition becomes false and controls comes out of the while loop, and out of the while loop data written is printed and file is closed. So in this way we discuss the three program using put w and get w functions. So till next period, bye and have a nice day.